Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this smart air pump by Woowind. This device here is smart and portable pump to effortlessly inflate SUP, kayaks, kites and more. Experience ultimate freedom with the Woowind NW10 portable cordless pump featuring real-time pressure monitoring. We have 4 inflation modes and a quick 5-minute inflation. Durable, water-resistant and versatile. It's perfect for all our paddleboarding and so on. Of course, the 5 minutes, I have a little bit bigger stand-up paddling board, so it costs you round about 6 up to 7 minutes until you can reach the inflation point to use that device. We enjoy water fun in seconds with just the push of a button. The Woowind NW10 pump reaches up to 20 psi and it's fully automatic and hands-free. Battery powered and cordless. It can inflate up to 8 SUPs, stand-up paddlings, on a single charge, and it's perfect for paddleboards, kayaks, kites, mattresses and more. Here it comes, up to 20 psi, powerful inflation and deflation mode. The pump, anywhere. We pump 8 SUPs with only one charge. And it's really cool because it's portable and cordless design. For kayak, for paddleboards, for kite surf boards, and for mattress, of course. We can pump anything. And we have breath control with 4 smart modes. With decades of experience in creating reliable pumps for cars, bikes and more, Woowind are one of the world's top players in that industry. Trusted for the quality and durability, they have shipped millions of units worldwide. Now, they are bringing that expertise to our water adventure with these high-performance battery-powered and cordless pumps. Effortlessly inflate the paddleboards, kayaks, kites and more with Woowind. And that's really cool because you can start the device by pushing on the power button. Then you have an M button to switch between inflatable tanks, for example, or scooter rings, and of course for your kayaks and so on. And then you can switch between PSI and KPA by pushing the M button and hold that. And then you can program the pressure with plus and minus. And if you push again on the power button, you can start the inflation. Inflation is on the right side, deflation is on the left side. If you enter the inflation value, you can push to inflate your stand-up paddle, for example, board, and then it starts. The connection is a really good connection because it is locked immediately if you push it on the valve. This is for deflation on the left side, so you can deflate your board, for example. You have a lot of connection hoses in that set, and of course it will matches to your board too, because there are a lot of connection hoses included. For mattresses, for example, in different sizes, or for, of course, our kite, and of course for our board, stand-up paddleboard, for example. And then you can start the journey. You can reload the battery of the Woowind device easily by using USB-C powered, or you can also power the energy into the device with using the 12-volt car adapter. And this device here can handle more. Of course, it can used as a power bank too, if you like to charge your smartphone or your pad, for example. And then let's go to the surfboard, and then you read the maximum minimum pressure on it, and then you connect the hose, you enter the inflation pressure, and then you can start the inflation easily. After this, it's only at my board it was 7 minutes until it inflated completely the board, and then you can have fun on the water, for example. It's easy, of course, and it makes a good job because you can not only inflate one of your board, you can continue inflating a lot of boards with that. And it's comfortable because it does not have to pump with your hands anymore or with your foot. You can make this full, easy peasy mobile electric with that device here. With the Woowind Smart Air Pump, you are on the go for easy pumping. Oh yeah, for everything, kayaks, kites, and more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.